These results are specific to this individual only. Individual results and activity levels after surgery vary and depend on many factors, including age, weight, and prior activity level.
I'm a firefighter with the City of Bethlehem, rank of lieutenant. Being a firefighter is a very demanding job. Our injuries are very common. Sprained ankles, sprained shoulders, sprained backs. It takes a toll on our bodies. First time I hurt my ankle really bad was football practice in 1979. I ran into another player and I heard my ankle rip until I hit the ground. Over the years, whether I would be at work or be at play, I always had to worry about spraining my ankle. It was something that happened constantly. About 10 years after the initial injury, I had my first procedure done. Right out of the box. Just had problems with it, even through physical therapy. Second surgery was probably about 8 years later. That was supposed to help my foot last longer. That didn't work out. I think it started to deteriorate quicker after that. I was going from city to city. Baltimore, Philadelphia, I even considered going to New York City. I just thought you go to a big town, you're going to get a great doctor who's going to be able to help you out. And every one of them said, no, we'll do ankle fusion. Ankle fusion was not an option for me because I was afraid I could not get my foot into a fire boot. If I can't do that, I can't work. This is a job I love. I can't imagine doing anything else. After several years of looking for surgeons to help my problem, I finally gave up. It was 6 months before I had my 25 years where I could take a pension. I decided that was it. I couldn't take the pain anymore. I was just going to hit my 25 years, get my ankle fused, and just be done with it. You know, you have a family. You want to provide for them. It's really the only thing I've ever done my whole life. Since I was 21, I've worked in emergency services. And then all of a sudden you find yourself in a position where you can't do that anymore. It sucks. When I finally gave up, a good friend of mine told me about a doctor that's local. Says, why don't you see him? He can do the fusion for you. So I went to see this doctor locally, and he's the one who told me about the InBone. And I realized right away that this was the answer to my problem. I had my surgery the day after my 25th anniversary. You find yourself in that position where you're going to have to retire. And then all of a sudden you find out that you may not have to retire. You look forward to it. There's some anxiety along the way as you're wondering if this really is going to work. And then when you find it working, it's just nothing but happy. I don't have to worry about the ankle anymore. It does everything I need it to do. My first call in a high-rise, when I got up there, put the fire out, I sat there with this big grin on my face. The owner of the building took one look at me and says, do you think this is funny? And then I had to explain to him how I had just been out of work for 7 months, and that's what I was smiling at. I can't imagine not having the InBone. I have no idea what I'd be doing for a living after this. You know, I've been a firefighter and in the EMS since I was 21 years old. You know, it's all I know. It's all I've been doing. The peace of mind I have having this ankle, I can provide for my family the way I want. I can do the job I want. There's nothing to stop me. I just go, go, go.
There are risks and recovery times associated with surgery, and there are certain individuals who should not undergo surgery. Only a physician can tell you if this product and associated procedure are right for you and your unique circumstances. Please consult with a physician for complete information regarding benefits, risks, and possible outcomes.